Good afternoon everyone. Today we will discuss about Indian desert. Indian desert is also known as the Thar desert. So Indian desert is located west side of India and west side of the Aravalli Hills. Okay. So that is covered by the sand dunes. So total area is covered by the sand dunes and sandy plain. If you are discussing about here rainfall, so there is very less rainfall, 150 millimeter. That is the below 150 millimeter per year. So that's why there's a low rainfall. So that's why there is less vegetation, low vegetation cover. And the climate is here dry climate. Dry climate why? Because here is the less rainfall. So the region of moving sands and low rainfall is called Marusthali. Okay, moving sands means that sand dunes are shifting. जो sand dunes है वो shift होते जा रहे हैं. Why? Because of the wind erosion. Okay, there is the less vegetation, तो यहाँ पे wind erosion क्या है? High है and low rainfall है. So that's why the entire region is called the Marusthali. There are some rivers also. So this area drained by the Saraswati. Earlier, not right now. Earlier that area drained by the Saraswati and Dirsha-Davti rivers and Satluj river also. Once a time that area was fertile, but now that rivers are not flowing that area, so that's why there are the many sand dunes are there. So now this time small rivers are there, and the main river in the desert area in India, that is Luni river. Luni is a small river, and in the Luni river the upper course means ये origin है Luni river का इधर से. So the upper course contain the fresh water, but the lower course having the salt water. Okay, so here some lakes also are there. You know about the Sambar lake, that is near the Salasar also. So Sambar lake is the largest lake, and second important lake is Didwana lake. Both are the salt water lake. Okay, both are the salt water lake, and second is the Sambar is an example of bolson, is term used for an extensive flat depression in centripetal. You can see this area, this plain area is called the flat area. This is area called the bolson. So bolson a term used for an extensive flat depression in centripetal, means in the center. Okay. Next is the whole region is covered with shifting sand dunes, we know, and three type of sand dunes are there: longitudinal, Barchans and transverse. Longitudinal means this type of the sand dunes, okay, in the rows. बट बरछांस मीन्स इन द क्रिसेंट शेप ऑफ द मून, यानी हाफ मून, जैसे मून की शेप होती है हाफ मून की, तो ऐसी शेप होती है जो सैंड ड्यून्स की, दे आर कॉल्ड द बरछांस. एंड नेक्स्ट इज ट्रांसवर्स. ट्रांसवर्स सैंड ड्यून्स मीन्स दिस टाइप ऑफ सैंड ड्यून्स. Okay, this type of shape of sand dunes are called the transverse sand dunes. So there are the three type of sand dunes in Thar desert, Indian desert. So if you are discussing about fertile land in desert area, so here are some flat land between a foot of Aravalli hills, जो Aravalli range है, mountain है. So between the foot of Aravalli and the western Marusthali, there is a belt of no sand dunes. And here a small river, short rivers and seasonal rivers drain the water. यहाँ पे water drain करती हैं. So that's why this small area is fertile land, and that fertile land in the desert area is called Rohi. Okay. Next point we'll discuss about coastal plains. So coastal plains is a flat low-lying piece of land next to the ocean. It divided into two parts: eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. And now we'll discuss about differentiate between eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. If you're discussing about eastern coastal plain, so eastern coastal plain you can see that is between the eastern ghat. This is the eastern ghat. Okay, that is the eastern ghat. So that is between the eastern ghat and the next is Bay of Bengal. Okay, and that there are two parts are there of eastern coastal plain. That north part is called the Northern Sarkar. North part is called the Northern Sarkar, and second south part is called the Coromandel coast. Okay, eastern ghat divided into two parts: Northern Sarkar north part and southern part is Coromandel coast. So here are the many rivers are there, like largest river Godavari river, that is also known as the Dakshin Ganga, because that is the longest river in the south side in the peninsular plateau. but other also the largest rivers are there, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri and Periyar. There are many rivers are there. And here we found also some lakes, Chilika lake also, that is the most important lake, and that is in Odisha. Okay, Chilika lake is a lagoon that is in Odisha. So if you are discussing about Western Ghat between the Western Coastal Plain between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. It also divided into three parts, three coasts. First is Konkan coast. Konkan coast is from Maharashtra to Goa. First is Konkan coast. Konkan coast is from Maharashtra to Goa. Second is Kannada coast. Kannada coast is the in between, like from Goa to Karnataka. And third is Malabar coast. Malabar coast, the southernmost part, Karnataka southern part, and the Kerala coastal area, that is known as the Malabar coast. So Western coastal plain also divided into three parts, Konkan, Kannada and Malabar coast. Okay, do this topic, coastal plain and the Indian desert.